Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Solflare wallet for token transfers and staking step by step clearly. To update your Solflare wallet for token transfers and staking, start by opening your Solflare wallet application. If you're using a browser extension, ensure it is properly installed and logged into your account. Next, check for any available updates in the wallet interface. Look for a notification or an update section that indicates the latest version. If an update is available, click on the update prompt to initiate the process. Wait for the application to download and install the latest version. Once the update is complete, refresh the wallet interface. Review the wallet features to confirm that the update has been successfully applied. Locate the transfer option within your wallet to initiate a token transfer. Enter the token type you wish to transfer and input the recipient's address. Specify the amount of tokens you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Confirm the transaction and authorize it if prompted. After the transfer is complete, navigate to the staking section of the wallet. Choose the token you wish to stake and select the staking amount. Review the staking rewards and terms before proceeding. Confirm your staking transaction to finalize the process. Your token transfers and staking should now be successfully updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.